Alright guys, just got these couple clamshell knives here, Imperial. I already started on this one here. Little thin plastic covers, false bone covers on the clamshell handles here. It's just getting kind of brittle. So I figured I'd paint them up, clean it, you know. We're gonna do this one too, but I just figured I'd show you what we got going on. Do a little quick video on it. I'm just gonna be cleaning these up. So I'm basically taking this other pocket knife here and using it as a tool. I'm just gonna work it behind the little tabs there. Slowly pry them up. Gonna be careful, take my time. Pretty thin metal, it could break, so just gonna chip away at it there. About 90 degrees or so. It'll start forming a little gap right here between the frame of the knife and the scale. You just pop something in there, kind of roll your tool like that, and it just pops out, slips right off. Got a little wire brush here, clean it up really good. Buff down some of the grime and rust. And we'll take our painter's tape here, cover the bolster. Probably use masking tape too, whatever you have. Just kind of work it down in that crack so it doesn't spill over into the bolster or run under the tape. Pretty basic here, I guess. Just covering it up. And we'll slap some over the shield here. Work it in really good. I just use my fingernail. Just kind of get the edges in crisp. We'll come back with a little X-Acto knife on it. Real slow, you don't want to cut into the metal, make it obvious. Looks like we got it. That's pretty much it right there. We're ready to clean these things up and paint them. Alright, so here's my girlfriend applying this teal pastel here. This is gel nail polish. It's UV curable. I'm not real sure about all this stuff. I'm kind of lost with it all. I'll let her just kind of go with what she was wanting to do with it. So I guess if you have any questions about it, I could consult with her, then message you back or something. I'm not sure really what all she did to it. I think this is like a clear green, kind of settled into the low spots. Made a really cool effect. And it looks like the UV nail polish turned out really good on that. Really cool looking. Turned out good. Yeah, so we're just cleaning the inside of the knife up here. I did a really thorough job on it. I was trying to get every bit of rust and pitting off of it, and it didn't all come off, but definitely made a difference. I got it pretty shiny. I just figured it would look better with like that newer paint on them handles. Try to get the actual knife itself really clean. It just make it for a better overall look, you know. But just my basic cleaning methods right here. It's all simple hand tools, little picks and brushes and sandpaper. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue on with it here. I did end up engraving my red shadow blades information in there, my name and date. Gonna buff down it with this little sharpener here. Nothing too crazy, just gonna get a working edge as usual. I'm starting to like these little clamshell knives though. Kind of easy to work on. So I did end up getting it pretty dang sharp, so Back with our bristled brush here, nylon bristle brush. Last little dusting before I oil it. We're just gonna attach these little clamshells on here now. Slips right on. Bend the little tab in. That's pretty much it, really. Just be careful. Just clips in. And that's it right there. Alright guys, here they are. Got both of them together. Got the one here my girlfriend painted up. The one I spray painted here with some gloss black. These things turned out really good. I love the way that looks right there. Tried to polish everything up as best I could. Tried to get all the pitting off the blades, but you know, they're just stained up. Turned out really good. This one here didn't have much snap. Got a little bit. And this one here, it's just Rust-Oleum gloss black. Turned out pretty good on that one. Inside's nice and shiny. Back springs. This one here has got pretty good snap on it right here. That little blade about to take your finger off if it's in the way. Not too bad.